Today I have a special message for you from God. Something happened last week. A camera was secretly set up, and the people who put it there didn't think you'd find out. This might sound a bit confusing, so let's talk about what it means. Have you ever felt like someone is watching you, even when you're all by yourself? Maybe you've experienced that creepy feeling that someone is keeping an eye on everything you do. It's not a nice feeling and can really shake you up. Nowadays, with all the new tech, being watched has become a common part of life. Privacy is a big issue these days. With all the advanced surveillance tech, it's super easy for someone to watch you without you ever knowing. From cameras in public spots to hidden ones in private places, the risk of being watched is always there. But what if this watching goes beyond just physical spaces and starts to invade your personal life? Imagine going about your day, not knowing that every move you make is being recorded. Your private moments are no longer private, and someone, somewhere, is watching every step you take. It's a scary idea, and for many people, it's actually happening. Whether through hidden cameras or online tracking, this constant surveillance can really wear you down. However, for those who feel watched, there's a comforting piece of news, a message from God, telling you that you're never really alone. In times when you feel trapped or scared, remember there's a divine power looking out for you. God's message for you today is that even in the darkest times you are loved and watched over. No matter how alone you might feel, there's always someone up there taking care of you. This message is all about faith, trust, and never-ending support. In the below, type divine protection to receive this message. In today's world, where it seems like privacy is increasingly hard to find, it's crucial to remember that you're not just someone being watched, you are a valuable person, deserving of respect and honor. Imagine yourself surrounded by a divine shield, offering protection not only in the physical realm, but also on a spiritual level. Beyond what our eyes can see, there is a kind of spiritual oversight taking place. Just as modern technology can track every step we take, spiritual forces are also observing our deeper actions, from the choices we make to the words we utter. This spiritual surveillance isn't meant to invoke fear or paranoia. Rather, it serves to remind us that our actions are significant. It acts like a gentle push from the universe, nudging us toward good conduct and moral strength. Even if it's unsettling to consider that our actions are under watch, there is comfort in knowing we are guided by a divine presence. So when you feel the weight of this spiritual oversight, embrace it not as a limitation on your freedom, but as an opportunity for personal growth and improvement. Under this divine observation, every move you make, every word you speak, and every thought you have is known. To connect with this reassurance, type spiritual guidance in the comments below. In an era where technology is evolving at a breakneck pace, the challenges of maintaining privacy are growing ever more complex. We live in a time when our personal information is being incessantly gathered, analyzed, and utilized by various entities, from social media platforms monitoring our online activities to advertisers targeting us with tailored advertisements. It's evident that our privacy is perpetually at risk. However, amidst this pervasive surveillance, it's vital to remember that there is also a spiritual dimension that provides not only oversight but also protection and guidance. This spiritual element reminds us that we are more than data points in a digital landscape. We are human beings with dignity, deserving to be treated with respect and care. As we navigate the complexities of modern life, facing both visible and invisible forms of surveillance, we must advocate for our right to privacy and take active steps to safeguard it. This might mean setting stronger boundaries around our use of technology, educating ourselves about our digital footprints, or supporting laws that protect individual privacy. Remember, in the grand scheme of the universe, your personal privacy might seem like a small issue, but in the eyes of the divine, it is a sacred aspect of your being. Your privacy is worth defending, not just as a personal luxury, but as a fundamental human right. So when you feel your privacy is being encroached upon, know that you are not powerless. You have the divine support and the innate power to assert your rights and protect your personal space. So whenever you feel your privacy is being infringed upon, recall that you are not alone. God is with you, offering guidance and support as you face the challenges of modern life. By asserting your right to privacy and taking steps to protect it, you reclaim a part of your autonomy and affirm your worth as an individual. In doing so, you honor not only your personal boundaries but also the divine guidance that watches over you. Empowerment. Embrace this powerful message. Today, we have a message of hope that transcends the boundaries of our technology-infused lives, reminding us of our inherent value and dignity. This message comes directly from God, tailored just for you, providing comfort in times of uncertainty and doubt. What does this message about privacy actually mean for you? It's an invitation to regain control and assert your right to privacy in a world that often tries to pry too deeply into your personal life. This message reinforces the idea that you are not merely a statistic or an entry in a database. You are a unique individual, deserving of respect and entitled to your own private space. Reclaiming your privacy is not only about shutting others out, it is about valuing and respecting your innermost thoughts and emotions. In our busy, noisy world, your private space should be a sanctuary where you can retreat and find tranquility, reassured by the knowledge that God is with you. So when it feels like your privacy is being compromised, remember that you have the agency to stand up for yourself. Whether it involves setting boundaries on how your technology is used or advocating for stronger privacy laws, you have the ability to secure your personal space. Although the issue of privacy might seem minor in the grand scheme of things, in God's view, your privacy is a precious commodity worthy of protection. When you sense that your privacy is under threat, remember that you are not alone. God is observing, supporting, and guiding you through the complexities of life with unwavering love and care. As we navigate the intricacies of today's world, it is vital to acknowledge that maintaining our privacy is a fundamental human right. Whether we're being monitored by physical beings, spiritual entities, or digital systems, we possess the strength to stand up for ourselves and protect our privacy. Whenever you feel your privacy rights are being infringed upon, remind yourself that you have the power to take action. You can set limits, create barriers, and fight for regulations that protect your personal information. By doing so, you not only safeguard your private space, but also affirm your self-worth and dignity. Remember, every step you take to defend your privacy is a step towards empowering yourself. It is a declaration that you are more than a data point. You are a person with a soul, deserving of respect and capable of influencing change. stand firm in your convictions and take comfort in knowing that divine support is always with you, offering strength and guidance as you uphold your rights in this digital age. In summary, this message from God is a gentle yet powerful reminder of your value as an individual. It encourages you to reclaim your autonomy and assert your right to privacy, assuring you that no matter the challenges, you are never alone. Your actions and your voice can make a difference. So the next time you feel your privacy being threatened, step forward with confidence, empowered by the knowledge that you are protected, respected, and loved. My dear viewer, show your support by giving super thanks up to $20.